Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Viego in League of Legends. First, understand Viego's core identity as a skirmisher and teamfight reset champion. His unique passive, Sovereign's Domination, lets him temporarily become a defeated enemy, gaining their basic abilities and healing. This mechanic is crucial for chaining kills and dominating fights. Focus on clearing your jungle efficiently and looking for early gank opportunities to get ahead. Let's dive into Viego's abilities. His Q, Blade of the Ruined King, is your primary damage and sustain tool, applying on-hit effects. W, Harrowed Path, is a crucial engagement ability, allowing you to dash and stun enemies. Use it to close gaps or escape. E, Spectral Maw, provides camouflage and bonus attack speed within the mist, making it excellent for ganks or dueling. Finally, his ultimate, Heartbreaker, executes low-health enemies and repositions you. For the early game, focus on a healthy jungle clear. Start with your Q, then W, then E. After reaching level 3, look for gank opportunities, especially in lanes where enemies are pushed up. Viego's W and E combo provides strong gank potential. Prioritize securing scuttle crabs for vision and gold, and always be aware of enemy jungle movements. Your goal is to get an early lead and start snowballing. As the game progresses into mid and late stages, group with your team to secure objectives like Dragon and Baron. In team fights, your primary goal is to find a low-health target to execute with your ultimate or basic abilities, triggering your passive. This allows you to reset and possess another champion, turning the tide of the fight. Positioning is key to avoid being focused down. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Use your resets wisely to carry your team to victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.